Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jeanette, and on this channel my dad and I share our ideas for plant-based recipes, meals, foods, and I'm a registered nurse, so I share some ideas on health and overall wellness and well-being. And today is a quick video on my chop salad, and I call it that because I have to chop a whole bunch of vegetables, and if you're like me, you like to zen out a little bit when you do your chopping of your veggies. If you don't like chopping veggies, you can maybe find some things already pre-cut at the grocery store, but I like to cut everything into uniform pieces, and I either put a very light dressing on this or save maybe half of it to top my salads with. So I have to chop some vegetables, so I just picked some that I had in the fridge, whatever was available to me, and here I've got some celery, so I'm slicing up the stalks and then cutting perpendicular to make a nice dice. And then this is how I cut a bell pepper. I just kind of go along the sides and I avoid the ribs and the seeds, and I'm pretty much just left with the core. I take off as much of the pepper part as I can, and then I slice it into strips and then dice that up as well. I'm curious to know if you guys have a better way of cutting up bell peppers. Please let me know down in the comments. And I just keep going with chopping my veggies, and what I ended up with was some diced red onion, some carrot, 3 colors of bell peppers, celery, cucumber, and some chopped cilantro. And you could also add any other kind of chopped herbs that you like. Then I just throw everything into a bowl and mix it all together. And then I like to set aside a little bit because this is a great mix to throw on top of lettuce greens, so I'm going to set some of that aside for that. And then I just add my dressing, and you can use any kind of dressing that you like, but this is such a fresh and crunchy salad. I like to use something that's a little bit on the lighter side, so I made something like a coleslaw dressing for this, but again, you could use anything you like. And if you guys go to my blog, I've started to add some recipes there, and I have a dressing made with lemony herb beans that would be perfect on this. But you can see this is a beautiful, fresh, colorful salad. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the idea for today's video. You could put anything you wanted in this. This is just what I happen to have on hand in the fridge, but this would be equally good with some canned or cooked chickpeas, some olives, maybe some canned diced up artichokes. You could do whatever kind of dressing you wanted on here. I just did something that was kind of similar to like a coleslaw type dressing. I used my cashew ranch and a little extra vinegar and a little touch of maple syrup and a little salt and pepper, and that was it. I like to keep it light and pretty simple. So that's it. Let me know if you have other ideas for a chop salad and leave those down in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.